Crypto Billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis. Let's get straight into the charts, my friends. We are doing technical analysis on Dogelon Mars. If you like technical analysis daily, baby, on Dogelon Mars, hit that subscribe button because that's what I do, my friends. I do it so you don't have to. Let's get straight into the charts. We are seeing the prices come down to these 8 levels. All right, this is major. Okay. Last video we drew our range, and our range is currently this 740s at the lowest, and then we have around the 825s at the highest, and in between this is consolidation time, baby. So if it continues to drop, we want to see it show some strong buying pressure right around the 740s. It will come down and hit, push back up, okay, with volume. After that, what do we want to see? We want to see us break this downward trend line. Okay, so let me draw it out so you beautiful people can understand this a little better. Comes down and then pushes higher. Now it might consolidate and come down again, maybe even retesting to create this new floor, creating a triple bottom 1, 2, 3 before it moves higher and breaks through this, because at this point we will squeeze, okay, at this point in the range and consolidation time, unless it continues to drop, and it drops through these 740 levels. However, that would take a lot of selling pressure that, quite frankly, I don't know if we have. So yes, today we want to watch these 8 levels. All right, really, we want to watch these 742 levels at the lowest. Now, these 769s are also a little bit of support here, as we see these candles coming down, touching them with their wicks, indicating buyers are stepping in around these levels. So this could also be a major support, and if it breaks through that, then we will be heading back down to that, and this is all very nice. It's all very nice. It is discounts, and if you are trading long term, this is amazing opportunities to just average more into your portfolio. I'm not a financial advisor, simple opinions from a crypto billionaire, and this is what I'm doing, okay? Now, I haven't averaged more in yet. Last time I averaged in was around the 6.2 levels, I do believe. These 6.2s back around here. So I'm just waiting for a nice little discount. Or even confirmation, okay? Now, whenever we see confirmation, it's good to get in, and I will let you guys know when we see confirmation. If you want real-time buy and sell alerts, check out the Patreon, links in the description, and you will get a notification straight to your phone, so you don't have to spend your time watching these videos. So, that being said, Crypto Billionaire 69, I hope you guys are doing well. I really do. And with all of the fear going around in the markets, just remember, keep a long-term perspective, okay? In the long term, the economy has to flourish. It doesn't... Okay, unless our economy gets invaded and taken over, which is very unlikely at the moment, because we are extremely strong, our economy will continue to rise and go higher. That is just the past. Look at the past. Stock market has continued higher throughout the last 100 years. So, my friends, long term, baby, we are in for the win, my friends. We are heading to Mars. This is where we are, and this is Mars, right around these levels. Boom, boom. Maybe not specifically around these levels, but this is where we're headed. Boom, 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 boom. And whenever we do hit Mars, okay, all of us in the Patreon, we're going to Bali, okay? Now, all of you guys who can make it, okay, but it's going to be amazing. Going skydiving with you guys, holy cow, that is going to be a dream come true. I'm excited for that day, but the key is to not rush it and be patient, because it will happen when it's meant to happen, okay? Everything happens for a reason, and when it does happen, it's going to be so nice. Crypto Billionaire 69. I will catch you. Excuse that, guys. I will catch you guys in the next video. I got a lot of energy. Been inside editing a different YouTube video all day, but that's besides the point. I will catch you guys. I love you guys. Peace.